Do you need to replace the LCD display assembly from your Dell G16 7630? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then use a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. Now unscrew and slide off the rear cover. Then unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the LCD cable. Next, unsnap the locking tab to disconnect the dynamic display switch cable. Now unscrew the left and right hinges and separate the LCD display assembly from the palm rest. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.